Welcome. My name's Brian Knight and I live near Melbourne in Australia. It's just after 5 o'clock in the morning on a Friday for me, nearing the end of the trading week. Yeah, welcome, Darren. Let's just quickly go here. So, welcome to this live FOREX analysis session. Just note that any trades discussed in this group will be classed as educational only. That's because a group of people help each other and we are not financial advisors. So please only take trades that you're happy to take based on your own analysis. There is a full risk disclosure and a little bit about us as live session traders. Welcome, Tom.
Hey, Barry.
Going. All happening. End of the week, non-farm payroll. Ooh. Okay, we should be on TradingView. Okay, so things are doing a slight little pullback. It's okay. Nothing too dramatic yet. Now, one other point here is on 2G, it came up, it went to, came back down, back up again. It's just, this is AUD CAD. It's just playing around. So end of the week, it could pull up, it just depends. Still have stop up here. So we'll see how dramatic that moves. But at the moment, I'm still looking at this to sell. I've got white. It hasn't come, the trend bars haven't come together yet, but we have got that movement back down. ADCHF. Same thing's occurring here, come down. We've got trend bars haven't met yet, but we've got the white. It has pulled back up and it is above the last candle. So we've got a long, just see what comes up that bit to this rectangle and then potentially come back off down. All the AEDs are doing a little bit of a pullback this week after a drop last week. Same thing here with the AED JPY. So not time to jump in on that one. It's got, we'll just see if it breaks that the red wick on that. If it does, maybe it's on the way up. If not, we'll get that push back down. A significant push up just in that one pair yesterday. Well, significant as it can be, Darren. Things are not moving in any wrong direction. Okay, AD NZD, I'm still in, but it has pulled up slightly. So I've given away a little bit on that as well. But, you know, we've still got that weekly prospect of it coming back down to here somewhere. So I'm still going to stay in that as well. AD Singapore, not really doing much. I'm looking for that to sell out, but we'll see. I would have thought that it might have sold at this point, but it's pushed past. So we'll just watch that. I haven't put a sell stop in yet. AUD pushed up nicely as well. And again, you know, if you had been in a while ago, it's okay, but it's just bunching up together. There's no sort of movement like this on the left. It's just a very slow sideways crab crawl going up. All right, CAD CHF. Yeah. It is such a long. It really hasn't shown me which way it's going to go yet. I mean, it could quite easily buy back up, but it has been a longer term trending down. So not much decision on that. CAD JPY, similar situation. in sideways. CHF, JPY. Now, in the end, I'm waiting for a sell on this, but it just keeps wanting to push up slightly. Both trend bars are still in an upward direction. It's just going between this sort of lot up here. So you're still in no trades, Tom, currently?
Correct. I'm not in any trades.
Yeah, well, sitting on your hands. And Darren's just wondering what is occurring too. Right, now that's pulled back that bit. I'm looking at getting a better option for a buy up on this one. We'll wait and see. But again, it's like the last, I don't know, what is it? It's nearly 2 weeks there.
I'm in 7 trades, Brian.
7. Oh, well, it's
Been in all of these for quite a while now.
yeah, same here.
So I'm in AUD card for the sell.
Yeah.
Very, very nearly got wicked out. Gosh, today. Because I've been moving the stop loss, but I'm still in it.
Yeah, you've been moving it to 2. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, GA.
Yeah.
Buy for the buy still. It's going nowhere. I mean, NU for the buy, which is not going okay. I mean, UCAD for the sell.
Yeah.
GU for the buy, which is probably the best trade at the minute.
Yeah.
Then I'm in both gold and silver.
Oh,
Which
well,
to silver later on, but that's shot up again today.
Silver has.
Yeah.
What? I don't know what's going on there. That's it's
two
really
massive push-ups in the last few days.
Quite unusual.
Gold hasn't. Gold unusually has been
a little bit sideways.
Bit sideways, yeah.
Mm.
I don't know what the rush is to buy silver, but
They must be using it in bonds or something, or
maybe
some sort of a. Anyway, it's probably
I've been in all those trades for quite a while now, I must say.
Yeah, I agree. It's not been a lot new for me either. Everything is. We'll see. Now, now the world has changed, and the Supreme Leader has nominated a whole lot of people from a whole lot of countries that are not allowed to come to the US. That'll change things now. Not. I don't know if you saw the decree. Anyway, yeah, the whole world is just going, this is so uncertain. We're not really going to do too much at all. Well, from a currency perspective, anyway. All right, Euro CAD all sideways as well. Euro CHF all sideways as well. Euro GBP. I still think this is. I'm looking for this to buy, but we will see whether it breaks here. This is going to take a. If it breaks down past there, it'll take out the bottom. And again, it's. I mean, Tom, you were talking about just down here to this orange dashed line that I've put in, and then potentially be a swing low to push up and not break the low. We'll see. Just waiting. Euro JPY. Slow growing up too. But it's not something that's that wants to necessarily push past there. We'll just now's a situation of whether I would get into that trade. If it goes up above, we'll see. I might just start for us to sell out. Euro NZD. Very much like the AUD. We do, though, have both trend bars going down, so I'd be looking for some sort of a potential sell on this one. 2, 3. It's really now just there. Something like that. We'll see. Euro Singapore. Oh gosh. Swing line push back up. All right, that's going to do a pullback. Yeah, well, I'm the other one trading or potentially trading Singapore. Yes, that's okay. I'm waiting for it has broken up past there now, so that's good. Wait for a pullback and then push back up. Let us. No, it'll be there. Somewhere there. Yeah. That's it, yeah. Anyway, we'll just leave it conservative anyway. Okay. Euro USD. So fill that there. It's too close to here at the moment. Yeah, we've got green here. I mean, it's, if we get a pullback and then potentially you could, but then I don't know whether it'll break the high. That's the problem. And if it does, makes new high and pulls back. Right, GBPs. GA. You said you're in this one for the buy. It has now done the pullback. 1, 2, 3 out the bottom. I'm looking at this to potentially come down to this point. See, you've got both trend bars. If it kisses there and doesn't break down, and then push back up again, I think this is the swing low. So, because the British pound is still quite strong, isn't it? Overall. So, are you muted, Darren? It's okay. GCAD. Again, I'm looking at that one to potentially take off. Let's come back now to the line. Let's see. GBP, CHF. A lot of these GBPs have got both trend lines of, sort of close together. Again, here I'm looking for that for buy. So GA, GCAD, GBP, CHF. GJ, I'm not. Back on the right, and GN. Again, both trend bars are close. We're going. It's changing. They're crossing over all over the place here. There's nothing like this, sort of movement. It's very cautious. All right, GBP and Singapore. Oh, I should have got into that. Rats. Okay. I look there, and the GU, you're still pushing up, aren't you? There's another. Yeah, pull back, and now it's pushing up. It's getting ready to break that high. On the way down, there's a few to go and get in there. Okay. So GU still overall, all the British pounds are quite strong, except for that GJ, not really too much. But they're not moving any rate either. They're just slowly crawling themselves up. These NUs are rubbish. And CHF, NJ, same sort of thing. NU. Now you're still in this, aren't you? Yeah.
And you, yeah.
Yeah, look how push up and then just suck back down again. And we've got this non-farm payroll happening. Okay. Singapore, Japanese yen. I mean, you can be in for a long time down, but they're just not given. They're not given much movement. You're sort of in that danger zone the whole time. It's a problem. That one's not worth doing. UK still in the sell. Yeah, it's broken there. Waiting for the pullback now. Could go further. Annoyed at myself I didn't get back into that. Anyway, USD CHF is also selling out. Oh, it's up above the last candle. And UJ, that also, look at all this. Come down, tried to, went up, come down, tried to, went up, come down, tried to. This is just a mess at the moment, isn't it? Oh yeah, USD Singapore is another one we would have liked to have got in. See how that goes. Gold, 358. Okay. And what's the silver look like? Crazy push up again. Look, it's come back 2 days, ting, and then push up. There's something going on there. That's just unusual, isn't it? Totally weird.
Let's Google it. There's just something going on with silver. I know we joke about might be used in some kind of weapon or something, but you never know.
Yeah. I mean, you'd think after you would, wouldn't you? With a bit of history, you'd think push up like that, there'd be a significant pullback for it to then be able to go. But it's pushed up, a little bit of pullback, and then pushed up again.
Yahoo Finance, silver price its 13-year high.
Yeah.
It's highest level since 2012. The move follows a recent resurgence in gold prices. The breakout has been brewing for a while.
Oh.
Maria Smirnova says silver had attempted to break through the $35 level a couple of times in recent months. So that just seems to be suggested. I mean, it's sort of been lagging gold, hasn't it? Gold's been surging.
Yeah. And silver's just been sort of sitting there.
It's been struggling to break through this $35 an ounce barrier, but it's broken through, and maybe it's trying to catch up with gold now. I don't know. I don't know. Those are a bit of a crude analysis, but
yeah, okay. Well,
Bitcoin also has industrial uses.
Yeah, correct. That's what I'm thinking. It must be. Must be some sort of industrial use for silver that's making it do that, because it's got to be demand. There has to be demand for it somewhere. So people are going to try and take advantage of it. Now, Bitcoin's come off significantly back down to 101 or 102. I think that's significant, that drop off. You'll see now. And then your oil is 63, still just going sideways. Not much to be concerned with.
No. So it's tomorrow, isn't it? And see if that shakes things up a bit.
Yeah.
I've been watching a few more videos about bots, and they're quite addictive actually. EA's what should go.
Yeah. Yeah, well, I got a bit deeper into the POW thing yesterday too, so that's interesting. It's UK. It's all in British pounds.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
significant monthly fee, and if you want the 50K, that that adds on another amount onto the fee as well.
Yeah.
But if what they're putting forward, it looks quite professional. But I mean, all of them look quite professional, don't they? Just depends.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it's a very quick overview at the moment in the market, and it will be, what will it be, 16 hours or something? We'll see what happens at non-farm payroll. I don't know whether there'll be a lot of movement. It just...
I'm not sure that it never really is. Very often there isn't.
Historically, though, non-farm payroll push things around crazy, but that's when everything wasn't being blamed on Biden, wasn't it? Yeah, it's a bit weird. Yeah, well, let's see what happens with this non-farm payroll, if anything. I'll be back again on your Sunday, which is my Monday morning. We'll see how it all... Well, we've got a holiday here also on my Monday. It's actually the King's birthday, even though his birthday is in November sometime.
Yeah.
This was the Queen's birthday, and now it's the King's birthday long weekend, they call it.
Well, you think we'd have a bank holiday for the King's birthday, wouldn't you? For God's sake, why do you have one and we don't?
Because everyone wants to go away on holiday and it's winter, and they're going to caravan galore movement yesterday. There'll be more caravans moving today. And I had, normally I'm supposed to have around about 50 something. Well, I'm supposed to have 56 on the bus, right? It's a 57 seater and there's 56 allocated. Most of the time I'll have around 50. So there's a few missing all the time, right? Yesterday I only had 31. It's like, I think all the parents are going, nah, it's a long, let's have an extra long weekend. So I don't know if I'll have anybody on today. There was a few of the kids when they left last night said we'll see you Tuesday. So I think I'll be just driving the bus for me and half a dozen. So we'll see how we go.
I like it. Yeah.
It doesn't matter. I get paid the same. We'll have just the bus goes a bit better. It's not so heavy.
Yeah, it's a bit quieter as well.
Yeah. All right. So we'll see if I sleep in Monday or not after the non-farm payroll. If there's anything significant, I might just have a sleep in Monday. We'll see. And then I might pick you up on Tuesday. Well, look, I'm not saying that. It just depends. All right. And see if you can get a sort of a petition going, Darren, for a King's birthday in November. You want a bank holiday?
Yeah, absolutely.
Before he croaks it from prostate cancer.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then they'll have to move it around because then it'll be what's his name's birthday, won't it? William, that's right. Willie, yeah.
Yeah.
Willow. We call him Willow here, but anyway.
Yeah.
So if you want, it's a bit funny. If you want a bit of Australian, there's a couple of films that if very Australian, if you ever want to watch. There was one back. I can't remember how long ago it was. Anyway, it was quite a while ago. There's an actor called David Wenham, a very good actor, Australian actor, and he played a part in a film called Getting, which is Getting Square. And Getting Square, you'd have that term, Darren, wouldn't you, in the UK? Getting Square?
Getting even, getting square, is it?
Getting even, yeah, Getting Square. So yeah, it's a quite a comical crime film. It's and now they've just bought out, like, I don't know, 15 years later or whatever it is, they've bought out a sequel or a continuation of it. It's called Spit, SPIT.
Yeah.
It's quite funny. So yeah, it's got a lot of Australian language in it, and a lot of Australian humour. Anyway, quite funny. So I think that's enough for today. Anything else? You're just watching EA videos. Is that it, Darren?
Well, we're doing that. Yeah. I was
taking in circles.
I was eating earlier. I just put YouTube on the TV and just the couple of characters from that EA
Academy.
They're churning videos out all the time and just keep reviewing different EAs and how to use them as well. Even to past prop firms, and then there was something else. I sort of got a bit lost with it, but I don't know what it's called now. But it's a certain level, and then they sort of double your money, and then it's like
the prop firm stuff. Yeah, no, that's how it works.
Yeah.
I don't think passing a prop firm is really the issue.
Yeah.
That's never for me. That's stage one. Really, what the big work is actually maintaining a prop firm account,
right,
and being able to have profits out of it.
But he was explaining how he'd withdrawn sort of 10 grand now. He'd hit that next sort of level and 10 grand out. And he was doing it with he's doing it all with using EAs. It's gosh.
They got so much that the drawdown issue is really where it's at. If you have one or two bad trades, they go the wrong way in it. Well, it depends on the EA and how it operates, but it's really the drawdown stuff that kills you. You get a daily drawdown or an overall drawdown. That's where it sort of sits.
That's right. Yeah.
But everyone has a bad run. And just as simple as that, EAs will too, and that's what knocks you out of a lot of these prop firms.
Yeah, that's
and
right.
I'm pretty sure a lot of the prop firms only make money out of people buying prop firm things and then killing them.
The fees they get, the subscriptions. Yeah, that's all it is. Yeah, that's how they make the money. Yeah, generally.
Yeah, because they make it look so easy. Everybody's willing to jump in.
Yeah.
It's not easy, is it, Tom?
No, it's anything but easy.
Yeah.
If a computer has a hard time doing it, you're way at the back of the bus. The slow bus. The special ed bus.
The bus with the trailer on behind.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. All right, then. Well, we'll keep on the track. I mean, I have this. There must be something or some profitable EAs out there, but it depends on. You see, you have so many different market conditions like we have now that some of those may not work in that. I mean, maybe you've got to have a number of EAs.
Well, I think that's it. He's I've forgotten the guy's name now, but he's in that group that
Fred, let's call him Fred. That's okay.
Trading Academy, and I mean, these guys have got like portfolios of EAs all running at the same time. Mind-boggling. He was showing on one of his videos all these accounts he's got running.
Are they mostly demos or?
Some demos. He's got live accounts, but he's got loads of these EAs running. Some of them are running them on very small like $200 live accounts, some are on demo accounts, some are big bucks, making good money out of it. It's just
But also, too, some of the EAs, you need to be able to have a margin, or sorry, leverage on it, certain leverages.
Yeah.
Like some of them will say you have to have 1 to 500, other ones 1 to 30. It just, there's all of these different parameters that you have to consider in relation to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because also, too, it's what can you have? I mean, if you're trading your own money or whatever, I mean, well, you've got access to a higher one through thing, but a lot of countries, like for example in US, you can only trade 1 to 30. That's it. There is no other option.
Yeah.
Oh well. All right. Well,
Yeah, I think the best option for everybody is just learn how to trade.
Yeah. No. True. Well, that doesn't mean you can't have something else running too, Tom. That's the thing. It's about having.
True, and I understand that. I understand there's always going to be options where it's always going to be easier, or somebody else is going to take care of it, or whatever the case may be. But the bottom line is, eventually, all those things stop working.
Yeah.
But if you just get one trading pattern that you can learn over and over and over again, the market never changes. There's always going to be ups and downs. So
yeah, true. Yeah. No, you're absolutely right. There is no problem with that. It's at the moment, this market is just a crab crawl going sideways on lots of things, which is different to what it is what I suppose what we call normally, or what we're used to a certain great extent.
Right. So rather than jumping into these trades now, why wouldn't you wait till after non-farm payroll?
Yeah, correct.
Let it peak out wherever it's going to go, and then trade the opposite direction.
Yeah, correct. Well, that's what I'm planning on doing.
Yeah,
but I am in a number of them. I mean, and so is Darren as well. We're in a number of trades already. So we're looking, well, I'm looking at them to continue those trends that we're in. So, but my point is, I suppose I've got stop losses in place so that if they do significant sort of kickbacks, I'm still potentially within the trade when they continue that trend. Well, if not, they're enough to be able to hold on to them. Yeah. Well, that's right, Tom. I mean, there's all different sides of the coin. All right, then. I better let you guys have an early evening or day. I'll get myself sorted and go and take whatever number of kids want to go to school today and back. Rightio.
Hey, man.
Have a good weekend. Oh, hopefully we're getting a bit of rain, Darren, too. It's like maybe this weekend's supposed to be a wet one. We'll see what happens.
We've had a real wet week, actually. Getting a bit fed up of it now. We're in June and we're just getting rainy days and quite cool weather. It's like 15 degrees.
I'll send it over, Darren. Just get rid of it and move it down our way, will you? Wish we could. All right, then.
All right, then.
Ciao. Have a great weekend. Okay. Bye-bye.